How to set up automatic text message reply on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today, so without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch your phone application on your device and simply tap on contacts. As you can see, I've already selected on contacts. Now tap on the three dotted lines at the top right corner. Here select on settings. Then simply scroll down and you can see the option of quick responses. Select on that. Now just tap on toggle on quick responses and you can now select whichever response you would like to select for yourself. Now this one's for your call. If you want to do the same for messages, you can simply launch the messages application on your device. Here tap on the three dotted lines or rather your profile at the top right corner and select on messages settings. As you do that, you can now just scroll down and here you can see the option of suggestions. So you can simply tap on suggestions. And here you can only have a smart reply option and suggested stickers option. Scroll down and tap on advanced and as you can see there's no option of automatic text message reply over here. So let's get back and here as you can see there's no other options over here. So simply you can set up automatic text message via your phone calls on your Android. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.